The components which we are using for making this project are connecting wires, LED, breadboard and Arduino Nano, and LDR sensor module. Okay, one more thing. A cable will also required for uploading the code in Arduino Nano. Here we are using LDR sensor module. On the top of it, you can see one potentiometer is there. You can use it to change the sensitivity of the sensor. And there are 3 pins are there in it. Yeah, let me show you once. So one of the pin is the digital pin. So this is the digital pin. This one is VCC and the middle one is ground. And there are 2 lights are also given in it. That is D0 LED and the another one is power LED. So this is what about the sensor. Let's explore the circuit. Here we are using the sensor. There are 3 terminals are given in it. So the D0, that is the digital pin, it's connected to pin number D3. This green wire is connected to pin number D3 and remaining 2 wires are ground. So the ground is connected to the ground and VCC is connected to the 5 volt of Arduino Nano. Here we are using a LED. So the positive of the LED, I am connecting it to digital pin number 2 and the ground will connect it to the ground. Okay, so these are the connections. Let's start writing the code. Well, I'll be writing a variable const integer. So I'm giving the name of the integer as s and the signal pin of the sensor is connected to pin number 2 of Arduino and const and LED. LED is positive is connected to pin number 3. Now in the void setup, I'll be writing serial dot begin. Baud rate is 9600 and here I'll be writing the pin mode. Its code is pretty similar to IR sensor code. Here I'll be writing s comma input, then pin mode LED comma output. Okay. The void setup code is completed. Let's move towards the void loop. So in the void loop, I'll be creating a variable integer a equals to digital read. I'm reading the sensor signal value from pin number 2. So the variable I'll be using as s and serial dot in ln. I'm just printing the sensor's value, that is s. Got it. This is the code. Now what I'll be doing now, I'll be just uploading this code inside the Arduino. Here I'm using Arduino Nano. It's up to you. You can also use Arduino Mega or Uno. There's no difference at all. So the code is uploaded. Now let's check by clicking on serial monitor. I'm just clicking on serial monitor and here it is giving me a value. Okay, it is giving me the value as 2. Okay, there's a mistake I did while writing the code. Here in place of s I have to write a because this a is holding the signal value now, so I have to print a's value. Okay, So I am getting the signal value as 1. Now what I'll doing, I'll be just putting the light on the sensor and then we'll see what is the changes we are getting on the signals value. So you can see that the values are already there on the serial monitor. Let's see what will happen when I'll show the flashlight. So you can see as I am showing the flashlight on the sensor, there is a change in the serial monitor. You can see that on the serial monitor I am getting the value as 0, 1, 0, 1 and 0. So based on the light, the values are changing. So we will be writing the code accordingly. Okay, let's start writing the next part of the code. So basically what I'm creating, I'm just creating a automatic dark detector. So what will happen whenever the light fall on the sensor, at that time I want the LED should off, and when there is a dark near the sensor, so I want the LED should turn on. So I'll just write the logic part over here. So when there is light near the sensor, I want LED should be off, and dark I want the LED which is connected, it should on. Let's start writing the code for that. I'm just using the condition if a equal to, so if you have seen that the sensor value which we are getting, based on that we are writing the logic. If a equal to low, at that time I want the LED should turn off. Digital right LED low, else digital right LED high. Okay, I wrote the code, it's uploaded in Arduino Nano. Okay, so the code is uploaded. Let's do the testing. Let's see how it is working. You can see as I'm showing the flashlight, the blue color LED, it's off. Now on, off. It's working perfectly fine. Basically what is happening, when the light is falling on the sensor, that means it's a daytime. So during the daytime, the light is the street light. I can consider it is as a street light. So street light is off. When the dark is there, at that time, street light turn on automatically. So that is what the simple concept of automatic dark detector. You can just made it using LDR sensor.